Hey guys, Judgierob here. Just bought a new lawnmower. Let's do my unboxing. Probably should open the bottom up first so it's easy to get out. I'll do that in a minute. Wow. Part of the catcher. Lift this out, it's heavy. The other half of the catcher.
Just need to open that one there.
I'm
supposed to open the bottom one. Because that's the purpose. See?
big knife, cut that.
It's here.
Big knives outside because someone keeps using them in the garden.
You just do that one.
Thank you. Should press it.
Rover, put it in here.
Have that knife back. Pass me that knife again. So guys, new Rover lawnmower, and this one here, if you push forward, the mower propels itself. So you push it like that and the mower actually uses the motor to spin the wheels around, so it makes it easier to push. So rather than try and push around a heavy lawnmower, this one will actually propel itself, so self-propelled lawnmower. We haven't got a really large yard, but if we do move in the future, we've got something that will outlast what we've currently got. So, it's a Rover Duracut 855 MS. It's a 4-stroke 159cc overhead valve lawnmower, so it's quite a powerful lawnmower. The cutting size is a really good cutting size. We're currently cutting the grass with a whippersnipper and also a small electric or battery charged lawnmower, which has only got a very small cutting size, so it takes ages to cut the grass. This will take 10-15 minutes to cut the grass. So thanks guys, thanks for joining us in our unboxing. Please subscribe to Judgierob and also Riz's Life Journey.
You just need to press it. Yeah, like this. That's it, put it in here.
That's a cool one. So this attachment I pulled out here is if you want to do mulching. So you push that back in and the grass just cuts around and gets really fine and just pushes back to the ground. And it's called mulching. So this one's a pull start. We're going to do it just now. Like that, pull start it like that and start the engine. I have to put some oil in it first and also some petrol.